My final choice of songs will be Stay the Night by James Blunt. It's 72 degrees and 0 chance of rain. It's been a perfect day. We're all spinning on our heels, so far away from real, in California, yeah. We watched the sunset from our car, we all took it in. Now by the time that it was dark, you and me had something, yeah. 'Cause if this is what we've got, then what we've got is gold. We're shining bright and I want you to know. The morning's on its way, our friends all say goodbye, and there's nowhere else to go. I hope that you'll stay the night. Whoa, you'll stay the night.